They're bugles. They're tasty. You can have them for a long time.
She literally just smacked her lip.
So you take it, you put it in your mouth, and chew it, like this. But you're supposed to keep your mouth closed. So like this.
Maggie.
It's more appropriate.
Maggie. Maggie, is that food? Is that food that you were watching Daddy eat? Is that food? Have you discovered what food is now? There's a whole world of food that's not in the bottle? Yeah. Is it because it's so loud and crunchy? I don't think so. Maggie. Maggie. We're so mean.
They're good.
Maggie.
One day you'll like them. Or you won't. That's okay too.
Maggie. No, it's okay. Maggie. Forget it, Mom. I'm not paying attention to you. There's bugles in the house. Oh boy.